Help me understand. See, now we've been talking about the different technologies. So we've talked about Web3. You just showed us a Web3 technology where you uploaded it to the blockchain and it produced an NFT. And you also, in order to be able to use this product, you had to have a Newell's wallet, and that had to be connected to the system. And so where is the NFT stored then?
The NFT is on the blockchain. Okay, so the NFT is on the blockchain, and the NFT now belongs to the people who create this with this data. So there is now on the blockchain an NFT containing the LLPs for the aircraft NXXXX.
Okay, and why would you have created an NFT with that kind of data? Help me understand how that solves the business problem that we're dealing with.
Yes, this is a great question. Because NFT, you can send it, you can send to someone else. That NFT, for example, in the aircraft redelivery, you can send that information to the new owner. And also, and most important, is because you can trace the NFT. So if we are talking about maintenance data, we can do the back to birth of all the data using the NFT. It's very easy to do that.
So help me with like one of the specific business applications that we talked about, like for example, missing logs or records that are not traceable. Now let's bring this full loop together. Now that you have the history of the part or component and you've published it to the blockchain and it's in an NFT and now you can do something with it, how does that help me with the missing logs problem that I have?
Well, because with the missing logs, if now that you have it on the blockchain, it's like you create a digital twin of a certain part of this part. For example, in this case, the LLPs, the life living parts. So it's like you create a digital twin, an immutable digital twin, and you can now rely if everything goes bad on your system, you can come here to EARHART and recover with 2 clicks. So you don't lose the information. It stays on the blockchain. It stays on your EARHART account. If everything goes bad on your ERP, you can go over there and download and upload it again to your system. So it's a digital twin. It's an immutable digital twin. And you have all the back-to-birth properties and traceability properties of all this data.
So let's try and take this down to one more level of understanding is that now what can I do with that data? You can say I can have it available to me, but how would that data interact with other systems, or how would I exchange that data? Under what circumstances would I exchange it? Help me understand the actual use of that NFT, to be able to create some value from it.
Yes, also a great question. Of course, there is the intrinsic value of this NFT, which is the information and the information that lies on this NFT. That it's very important to the owner. If the owner decides to sell the aircraft, for example, to another, it's very easy to send this NFT to the new owner. And for example, if we are talking about reliability data or maintenance data, there are some parts of data that can be monetized. There can be, nowadays, people have very good information on their systems. And that information can make use to other companies. So we also develop a marketplace of information where industry can place information over there and sell it. So basically, if we are talking about information that I required, I can go over there and try to find if it's available to buy. I can give a good example. If I own a maintenance center and I'm starting to do maintenance on a Boeing 747 and I don't have any history of it, I can try to buy that information from other maintenance shops that already have that information. And of course, there are still some analysis to do, but I have already a good knowledge of what are the most required parts, and I can stock them. And this also brings value to this tool because avoids or try to compensate long aircraft ground times waiting for parts, for example.